students. Today I'm going to give introduction about information security, which you are going to study in third year, second semester. The prerequisite for this information security is computer networks. I think all computer networks already you have studied in third year, first semester. There you have discussed about you got knowledge about how to create a link between source to destination. So for that we have used OSI model, 7 layers we have discussed everything. I think you remember. So now in this information security, we are going to see how securely we can send data from source to destination. So for that, what are the different type of mechanisms we are following, different type of algorithms, everything we are going to discuss in this information security subject. As usual, for this subject, we have five COs, course outcomes are there. So for every unit, we have written one course outcome. Uh, and now we will see what is unit one. So this is unit one consists of introduction part as well as secret key cryptography. So in introduction part, we are going to see how security attacks will happen and what are the different type of mechanisms and services to protect the data from the intruders. And also we are going to see the cryptography model and different techniques like steganographies and substitution and transposition techniques. And we are going to see the properties of ciphers. Everything we will get to know through this introduction part. So after completing that, we are going to see what is public key algorithms and symmetric algorithms. So we will start with symmetric algorithms. So in symmetric algorithms, we will see two important algorithms called a data encryption standard and advanced encryption standard, and also some other algorithms like RC4 we will see. So this all part comes under unit 1. Next we will move to unit 2. In unit 2 we are going to see the probability, uh, probability statistic methods, and also we will see what is prime numbers and what is use of prime numbers in cryptography, as well as some theorems like Fermat, Euler's, and the Chinese remainder theorem. These things we will cover in unit 2 as first part. In second part we will see public key cryptography. This is very important topic, which related to information security. There we are going to discuss about RSA algorithms and Diffie-Hellman key exchanges. So and ECC, elliptic curve cryptography, also we are going to see in unit 2. Then we'll move to unit 3. So the in unit 3 we are going to discuss some like a little bit more important topics and more advanced topics related to security. It is nothing but secure hash functions and message authentication models, digital signatures also we are going to discuss. And second part consists of applications of authentication like Kerberos and X.509. These things we will discuss in unit 3. Comes to unit 4, there we are going to apply these models in real-time applications like SMIME, like mail security we will discuss, PGP and SMIME also we will discuss. And second part consists of IP security. So IP stands for Internet Protocol. So how this security will be provided through authentication headers and encapsulation security payloads. So that we will discuss in unit 4's second part. And now we'll move to unit 5. So this is practically how we can apply these models we are going to discuss. One is in web security. So web security nothing but commonly we are using browsers. In browsers we will enter some URL address. There on you can see HTTPS, like that one protocol will be there. So how that HTTPS will work? So that for that we are going to discuss important secure socket layers and transport layer security. Those important topics will be discussed related to web security. And last part is nothing but firewalls. So what is firewall and what are the different type of firewalls we are going to use, and the firewall configurations, everything we will be discussed. Why? Because here only we are going to provide security. Like whenever we are applying for any network, there these firewalls plays a major role, and how these firewalls will work and how this will provide security to the users as well as receivers, everything we will see in a firewalls part. So this is what we are going to study in information security. So like we start from basic thing and we will go to advanced things, everything we are going to discuss in these 5 minutes. This is where, like, if you see the subjects, it's important related to security mechanisms. So how, like, generally we are using so many applications, and through these applications we are communicating data, but we don't know how this data will be secured at the back end. But that, for to get the knowledge, what is the algorithms and what is the mechanisms we are using at the back end. So through this subject you will get the basic information. Okay, so that is what about this information security. So I'm looking forward to teach you, and so that you will get a good knowledge about these security models or mechanisms in the data. Okay, thank you.